It's Asia. Diamond is not here, but welcome back to our channel. Yo, before we get into this video, we want to apologize for the length of this video. This was like a 6-minute video, but I don't know where the other footage went. So we do sincerely apologize for this short video, but we haven't posted in like 8 months, and we was just like, I'm just gonna put it out anyways because we need some content to post because we haven't posted in a very long time, and we need to keep y'all engaged and things like that. Also, when we do get together, we are going to do a sit down video explaining why we've been MIA off YouTube, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that video as well. And comment down below some things that y'all want to see us do. And we'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you guys so much for subscribing. And also, make sure you guys get us to 100 subscribers. When we get to 100 subscribers, me and Diamond agreed to do the cold plunge. So if you guys want to see us do the cold plunge, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel and get us to 100K. And also make sure you guys like. Bye.
Anyways, brief intermission. As I was saying, let me tap into my nigga mindset or whatever. I meant my bleep mindset. But anyways, I feel like most men, they be thinking, oh, they can have their cake and eat it too. And they be like, oh, I can get this one, but I'm gonna get this one too. And then they also might be like, oh, she can't do this for me, but she can. So it's like, they keep both of them, best of both worlds. Don't shoot the messenger. That's just what I heard from the grapevines or whatever.
See, I grew up around big words, and like, it's just like, they definitely think they can have their cake and eat it too. Because the amount of times that I went through a phone trying, and I was a kid that minding my business. It wasn't like I intentionally went through that phone or nothing, right? I was just sitting there playing the game, you know, and then they got all types of names. Bree, Jasmine, Latoya, Katia. Like, damn.
Brenda, Letitia.
I'm like, dang. Huh?
Oh. I'm full.
Oh man, I forgot to say that.
I'm gonna just go ahead and get that off you, big boy. You gonna slap it down like you slap it Uno card?
Yeah, I don't like pickles on my burger. I love pickles, but I don't like them on my burger.
I got some toothpaste and some toothbrushes. You're not kissing me with the funniest.
Come here.
No.
Ain't no. See, let me kiss. Ain't no.
It's on that side.
Yeah, but I ain't about that. I about this. How about this? So let me kiss. See?
I feel like you are.
I promise you. Look, do you see honey?
Mm-hmm.
I really don't know. I don't know why I do this.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
So that's why I'm just on your hand and put my things back. I only got a piece of sandwich left. Put that in the bottle.
Okay, y'all, time to get drunk. I mean, make a toast and be merry. Mm-hmm.
Cheers! I'm toasting with Sprite.
Cheers. He
Cheers.
married.